The universal wave equation. The universal wave equation is used to determine the speed of a wave. The way we're going to do that is we're going to imagine one cycle of the wave. If we, in general, imagine the wave is traveling at a constant speed, so the velocity is equal to the distance covered divided by the time, then if we imagine one cycle, the distance for one cycle, or the amount of space for one cycle for a wave, is its wavelength. For one cycle, it takes a time of one period for that wave to complete. So the speed of a wave can be defined by its wavelength divided by its period. Now, frequency is the inverse of period, so more commonly this equation is written as the velocity is equal to the frequency times the wavelength, where we use the inverse relationship to get everybody up onto the top of the equation. This equation is the universal wave equation. And I think if we think about it and we try and imagine a group of soldiers marching, then I think we can come up with this equation in a little bit more of a common sense way. If I told you, for example, that your marching group takes 2 steps per second, that would be like the marching group's frequency. And if I told you that in each one of their steps, they stepped 0.75 meters, then if I told you they're taking 2 steps per second and they're stepping 0.75 meters, then what you would be able to come up with is that their velocity is equal to 2 times 0.75, or 1.5 meters per second. But if you think about what you just did, is you said that their velocity is equal to the frequency with which they're taking steps times the length of each individual step. And so that's another way to look at the universal wave equation.